Are you prepared to embark on an educational journey that will teach you how to generate significant income online? We're talking about the potential to earn up to $1,300 every single day without selling anything, possess any professional degree or experience, or rely on affiliate marketing. This method requires only one task: copying then pasting specific text. Additionally, I will introduce you to other reputable websites where you can double your earnings. Join me by subscribing to our channel as we delve into the world of online money-making opportunities. First and foremost, let's navigate to the well-known website, google.com. Once there, enter Google News in the search bar. The first search result will lead you to news.google.com, which serves as the official Google News website. By clicking on this link, you will arrive at the homepage of Google News. It is like an online newspaper where you can find news on a wide array of topics, ranging from global and local news to business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And there are many subcategories in each topic. This website is endorsed by Google and provides a legitimate platform for accessing diverse news content. You might be wondering about the relevance of this information and how it can be monetized through the act of browsing a news site. Allow me to explain. Upon reaching the top of the page, you will find various news categories, including world news, local news, and other intriguing subjects. For the purpose of our discussion, we will focus on the lucrative domains of business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. By clicking on one of these categories, let's say science, you can explore the latest science news. In today's demonstration, we will be honing in on the health category. Clicking on this category will present you with a plethora of fascinating news articles pertaining to health-related topics. As you scroll down, you will come across fresh and captivating news articles encompassing various aspects of health. Let's take nutrition, for instance. Among the articles, one in particular catches our eye. Clicking on it will provide us with the article that we will be working on. Now, allow me to reveal the most intriguing part of this process. Are you ready to learn a valuable technique for creating unique content? As demonstrated earlier, your first step is to find an article of interest on Google News and proceed to copy it. Let me illustrate by selecting the entire article text, right-clicking, and choosing the copy option. However, a mere copy and paste approach is inadequate, as it could lead to legal consequences due to plagiarism. This is where Spinbot comes into play. Visit spinbot.com and paste the copied article text into the website. Here, the magic happens. Spinbot is specialized software that rewrites the article you copied, generating a new rendition using your own words. As a result, you will possess a completely original article covering the same subject matter as the original one from Google News. Utilizing Spinbot ensures that you avoid any copyright issues and obtain a brand new piece of content. Allow me to demonstrate by pasting the article into Spinbot, clicking on Basic Spin, and waiting a few seconds. Here you go. You now have a unique blog post, article, or similar content. But wait, after that now you have to rewrite it in ChatGPT. Just copy this and ask ChatGPT to write this article in a professional way. After that, it is advisable to review the article before using it, and I recommend selecting an article that genuinely piques your interest. Now, let us explore the potential for substantial earnings with this article. Allow me to show you how it's done. First and foremost, ensure that you copy and securely save this article, as we will be selling it to websites that are willing to pay generously for your words. These websites offer compensation of $1 per word written, and it's worth noting that articles can often consist of thousands of words, leading to substantial earnings. Once you have safely saved the article, we can proceed to monetize it. Stay with me as I guide you through the steps. The first website we will discuss is eatingwell.com. This platform offers an exciting opportunity as they are willing to pay $1 per word written. However, you won't have to undertake the writing process yourself. By utilizing Google News and Spinbot and ChatGPT, you can effortlessly create articles without encountering any copyright issues. The best part is that you won't have to engage yourself in selling, affiliate marketing, or any form of marketing at all. Stay tuned until the end, as I have some other platforms for earning. I will introduce here additional websites that accept article submissions, thereby enhancing your income potential. The second website pays up to $2 per word and covers a wide range of topics such as money, health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. By leveraging multiple websites, you can significantly increase your earnings. Therefore, eatingwell.com offers $1 per word, meaning that a 650-word article could yield $650. The other website pays $2 per word, potentially resulting in a staggering sum of $1,300. The process is remarkably straightforward, free of arduous writing or financial investments, enabling you to initiate the money-making process immediately. Now, you may be wondering about the mechanism through which you will receive payment for your articles. Fear not, for it is a simple process. Upon visiting the respective websites, you will find their payment terms, usually $1 per word. Proceed to obtain the email address provided on the website and send them an email with the subject line Content Submission. In the email, express your intent to submit an article and convey your enthusiasm regarding their response. There are many templates on Google. To maintain professionalism, here is a template to utilize. Just copy and paste your article into the email and click send. If the website finds your article appealing, they will reply and request your payment details. Rest assured, since the article is entirely your creation, no issues should arise. Give some time to your article before submission. You can select your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or bank transfer. It is remarkably easy, and you can initiate this process immediately. And you will soon be composing your own articles. Additionally, given that Google News updates its content regularly, you have limitless earning potential. In the health category alone, you will notice numerous subcategories offering a myriad of opportunities to generate income. The more you engage in this process, the more money you can earn. Now, let us delve into the additional websites to which you can submit your articles. The second website is Popular Science, which bears similarities to Eating Well but have a faster submission process. Here, you need to send queries. And upon receiving a response, you can proceed to submit your entire article. On the Popular Science website, you will find their email address, which you can use to submit your query along with your contact details. I will provide you with a template specifically tailored for submitting articles to the Popular Science website. For this platform, focus on technology-related topics. Return to Google News, navigate to the technology category, and select an article that captivates your interest. Copy the article, paste it into Spinbot, and allow it to rewrite the text in your unique style, then modify in ChatGPT, ensuring an original and engaging article suitable for submission to Popular Science. Rest assured, everything we are doing here is legitimate, provided you write in your own words and maintain uniqueness. Next website is aarp.org. To learn about their article submission process, visit their website and familiarize yourself with their submission guidelines. The exciting part is that aarp.org offers up to $2 per word, surpassing the compensation offered by the other websites mentioned. Moreover, they accept articles on a wide range of topics, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. To maximize your earnings, I encourage you to submit articles to all given websites. However, ensure that each website receives a unique article, as they do not accept duplicate submissions. Even if they limit submissions to one article per day, you still have the potential to earn hundreds of dollars daily. Of course, not every article you submit will be accepted, as they may already have similar content on their respective websites. Nevertheless, this method offers a risk-free and Another most important thing, don't use AI-generated articles. If they detect any AI-generated articles, they will block you. Try to be genuine as much as possible. Other website where you can submit your articles are hakaimagazine.com. It explores science and society in coastal ecosystems. Another website is travelandleisure.com. Not only does Travel and Leisure magazine pay up to $1 per word, majority of their writing is completed by freelance writers. Also check their social media accounts. That will help you to select in-demand articles. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos and valuable tips on making money online.